Namaskar, welcome back to my channel Tarot Talks. Tarot Talks through Ruby and Happy. But to see the miraculous result, please connect with the tarot. Please connect with the card, and I promise you, you will see the miracles happening in your life. Today's reading is about Aries, a beautiful zodiac sign called Aries. Stay connected, let's start the reading now. So we are going to ask the card how the year is going to be for the Aries, the year 2025 for the Aries, and if cards can suggest us some remedy to enhance their energies for the year 2025. कार्ड्स प्लीज़ बताइए ईयर्स 2025 एरियंस के लिए कैसा रहेगा. Dear Arians, the cards are saying soft no or conditional no to the fortunate, bright, fruitful 2025. Because whatever you have started or going to start as a good situation, you had very good intention for whatever you want to start, but later it will become burden because the cards are showing responsibilities, problem, overburden, so many things on your mind. So it is not a very fruitful year for Aries because you'll be having too much load on your shoulder, a huge weight you will be taking up on your shoulder, and with a lot of restrictions around fun and spontaneity going out of your life. It shows delay, uphill struggle, losing your focus. So sorry to say, but it is so bad. It is not only this, even your partner, she'll be taking the back seat at home, enjoying the life, and you will be taking up the responsibilities there also. And if you are single, please make space for somebody to come into your life and then approach. Because work-wise also it indicates too much of work, too much of burden of work will make you very irritable, exhausted and drained. Financially also not a very good year, and even if you're planning to pay back your loans, it seems little difficult. Because of all this burden and stress you'll be going through, it will have negative impact on your health as well, up to the extent if you have some injury or illness, your body will refuse to recover from them. Arians, unfortunately, even if you try to concentrate on parts, you won't be able to do that also. Part puja will also become little difficult because of the stress, the burden you are having on your life. But trust cards, you do have a remedy. With this remedy, we believe, we trust God will put you back on the right track soon. Your remedy, let's check because it is indicating you can do the remedy. Please card, give them a good remedy so that they can just overcome some of their responsibilities, problems and struggles in life. According to cards, you should do Gayatri mantra, please. And if you get connected with the Gurbani, please do Mool mantra 108 times. आप इस पाठ को करें and बिल्कुल यकीन रखें कि कुछ ना कुछ relief आपको मिलेगा, and we can just pray the year just fly away from you. Thank you so very much for connecting. I know it is not very good, but sometimes it's like this only. Thank you so much.